Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I've got a special video today. I got a few more jumping spiders. I ordered a few more jumping spider enclosures because I found two jumping spiders. So the first one that I found this one on my car outside. And I don't know what species it is, but I was like, well, maybe we'll see. So I took him in. I'm gonna be putting him in this enclosure that I already made. As you can see, Kai is in there. Kai got huge, absolutely humongous. Yeah, so he needs to be rehomed. So basically what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna move this one. I named this one Maple, so I'm gonna move Maple into this one. And then I'm gonna be moving Kai into this one that I ordered. So, and I actually found another Phidippus regius, and he is in this temporary one because he's actually, I don't know if you can see him, but he's right there. And what's special about him was I was working and one of my co-workers found him and he was just outside. So we took a water bottle and we pushed him in, but something didn't seem right with him. So we checked and he's actually missing 3 legs. So he only has 5 legs. And I'm like, this is my sign, like I need to take him in, I need to help him out. So yeah, I'm gonna be rehousing them. The one with 5 legs is named Des because my co-worker's name is Desi, so his name is Des. And I'm gonna be rehousing Des into this enclosure. So I have some sad news about Des. During that video, which I forgot to film me explaining what happened, but Des actually passed away during that video. And I know I said that I fed him and stuff. I did like 2 days before, and he did take the cricket. And then the 2 days later, actually, like when that video was happening, I put a cricket in there and he was refusing the food. And I'm like, great, he's either in pre-molt or he's not doing well. And unfortunately, he actually did pass away. So I feel really bad that he passed away. I felt like I could have saved him. But that's what happens in life. Stuff happens. That's nature. So R.I.P. Des. I will remember you. I'm gonna go ahead and start decorating. Kai's enclosure is done, and it turned out so much better than I thought. Now it's time to rehouse him. I'm about to rehouse him. He's very quick, so I am hoping he will not bolt out. Where did you come out? There you go. No, don't go in there. Don't go in there. Let's not go in there. And he went into his web nest. How nice. How about you go out? How about you go? Oh, is he out? Girl, how do you not see him outside the enclosure? Are you that dumb? I am editing this right now, and I just cannot believe myself. Hi, handsome. Yeah.
Yo, you wanna see some real speed, bitch?
Oh, no. Oh my god. Oh. Come on, guy. There we go. He's in. Close the door. He's in there. Yay! There he is in his new enclosure. I'm also gonna give him a cricket. Nice. Nice. Okay, so now Kai is all set. He got a cricket and everything. So now what I have to do is I'm gonna take everything out of here and I'm gonna wash it because there's a lot of like his webbing and stuff. And then we're gonna rehouse Maple, and I'm gonna try and keep the setup the same. I might add a little bit of moss in there for color, but yeah. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and comment down below your favorite enclosure that I made. And also please subscribe if you like my content. I'm gonna try and keep posting more consistently. And yeah, thank you so much, and I will see you next time. Bye.